Welcome back, everyone, to more Valley Dunk Wrestling's Thankful Meetings 2014. I am the Rugged Rebel, and wait a second, that music sounds awfully familiar. That sounds like the XD theme music. And wait a minute, that logo there, that name logo says the new XD. So I guess at least Yanta has gotten Trinity on board for, I guess, a new version of the XD. And now I'm really considering possibly joining up, and maybe me and Britt need to have a little conversation about the XD and maybe get the old band back together, because I mean it sounds like it might not be that bad of an idea if Trinity's on board and Yanta's on board, and if Britt's on board and I'm on board. I wonder what kind of things we can do. I mean, we could really possibly run things around here. But I mean, that all remains to be seen here, as you know, there's still some stuff that's got to go down here tonight. And I know that Britt's got other things on his mind tonight. He's got the matchup for the Valley Dunk Championship with Max Frost. But after that's all done with, I think then possibly things can be worked out between us about this XD possible reunion that Yanta's trying to plan. I mean, it doesn't sound like a bad idea in theory, as long as everybody's on board and works together. I think the XD might be a solution. I mean, Yanta just got back to the arena, though, and she was informed she had this matchup, so once this matchup gets over, she won't have to worry about that for the rest of the night. But nonetheless, so many things have already gone down here at Thankful Meetings 2014. I know Canaron's still in the back, still relaxing and, you know, talking things over, because he had that steel cage matchup, and he said that, you know, steel cage matches are grueling matches and career shorteners, so he doesn't want to take it too fast, because I guess, you know, if you take it too fast, bad things can happen. At least that's according to Canaron and his logic. So take it for what you will. Canaron, though, I mean, taking it easy, I guess, for now in the backstage area. But when I have my match, she better come out here, or somebody better get out here for this, because, you know, I've got a matchup in the finals of the Cornucopia Punishment Tournament, and I don't want to be denied the opportunity to compete in that just because Canaron decided not to come back out to the commentary booth. And I don't think the fans should be denied the the option of having commentary here at Thankful Meetings 2014 just because somebody didn't want to show up to do the commentary thing. But nonetheless, that's neither here nor there. But Yanta and Trinity teaming up, so this new XD thing kind of sounds a little interesting. I wonder, like, if Yanta got approved to use that trademark, or what the deal is, because last I remember, Ballyndong had the rights to that as Here Comes Dark Princess, and I guess things have been going crazy all night tonight thus far at Thankful Meetings 2014, and I guess, from what I'm hearing now, Dark Princess may have something to do with it. And speaking of odd, after Winter and Goth Girl were floating away, I guess nobody in the back has seen them or heard from them since that they floated away in that match. So I guess an investigation's going on to try and find out what happened, but that was a little freaky to see two divas of Valley Dunk Wrestling just float away like that and vanish into thin air. I mean, that doesn't normally happen. People don't just vanish into thin air. So I think there's some type of dark magic or something going on that doesn't seem right, because people don't just get up and disappear like that out of nowhere. But I guess this matchup is Vicious Vixen, Trinity, and Yanta against Natalya, Velvet Sky, and Dark Princess. And Dark Princess has stated in the past that she was going to do things. Oh, and Natalya's already out of this matchup. Dark Princess had already stated that when she lost one of her matches that she was gonna, that things were gonna get dark, and apparently in an interview that I guess nobody's seen in Ballydung Wrestling, Dark Princess had promised that the darker days of Ballydung Wrestling were upon us, and that she was going to get revenge for everything, for all the time she felt she was wronged in Ballydung Wrestling. So, I mean, maybe this is all part of it. I don't know, but not hearing from Goth Girl or Winter is kind of odd after a matchup, especially a big matchup, and both of them had a very good showing as Velvet Sky takes down Vicious Vixen, and now Dark Princess is in, and now, right to the back of Vicious Vixen, and Velvet Sky is really taking it to Vicious Vixen in this contest. Of course, Vicious Vixen and Trinity were, I think, part of the Hate City Rockers at 1.1, 2, and 3. I think that was a 3 count. I'm not quite sure, but no, wait. I guess Vicious Vixen and Vicious Vixen got lucky, but I think Trinity and Yanta and Vicious Vixen were all part of the Hate City Rockers at one point or another. But I guess Vicious Vixen has kind of distanced herself from that group. And now Velvet Sky is really taking it to Vicious Vixen there, neck breaker. And Dark Princess cheering on her teammate as now Dark Princess tags in. And I think that, I don't know if Vicious Vixen has been eliminated or not, but Trinity coming in to make the save here as Vicious Vixen clotheslines Dark Princess, and Dark Princess now being sent into the corner. And Yanta looks to be a little off in this matchup thus far, but I mean Vicious Vixen too, she's taking a beating in this contest, and Yanta just seems to want to keep this match going as long as possible. But who can blame her? And I really don't blame her. I mean, Canderon, he's still relaxing, so I won't be able to do my match until probably he comes back out. Now a cover. 1, 2, no. And another break up there. And now Vicious Vixen taken down as Velvet Sky stands watching the ring. And she clotheslines one of the... and now that submission maneuver there by Dark Princess, and Vicious Vixen taps out. So now it is down to a 2-on-2 affair. So it's now basically a tag team matchup, so there's no advantage yet. But I think whoever gets the next elimination would for sure have an advantage in this matchup. That's almost a foregone conclusion. But these women just continue to go all out. And just think of the way that they could rise up the ranks with a victory here in this kind of a matchup. I mean, there's so many opportunities in Ballydung Wrestling. I mean, with the Jewel Tag Team title and the Jewel title, who knows what could lie ahead in the future of these women if they were able to pull off a victory in this matchup. We know one team's going to win because there won't be a draw in this matchup. The board of directors has already assured me that this match will not end in a draw, and Yanta, I think she's got to kind of make a good showing, because if she wants the XD to be successful and come back full force, I mean, she's almost got to prove why that should actually happen. Is Yanta with that takedown here of Dark Princess, and Yanta really taking control here in this matchup as now she delivers that Widow's Peak, I guess, that Vicious Peak to Dark Princess. And Yanta just really taking command now. Really just taking it to Dark Princess, not allowing Dark Princess any opportunity to try to get back into this matchup. As now, Trinity there with that weird maneuver back into the ring. As now she's going for, I think, the Tiger. No, she was going for the Tiger Feint kick, I thought. And now a cover. Hooks the leg. 1, no. And a kick out there by Dark Princess. As Trinity, with those kicks, just taking it to Dark Princess here. As Velvet Sky was taking it to Yanta. But Yanta was able to reverse it. Now that kick to the back. As Dark Princess still trying to fight off Trinity, but Trinity is not going to go down without a fight here, I guess. And Trinity, she's a feisty female. That's one thing I gotta say about Trinity. She's been in a lot of wrestling companies and she's wrestled a lot over the years, but Trinity doesn't seem to be missing a beat here tonight. As Dark Princess now suplexes Trinity over the top rope. And it looks like Velvet Sky is going to try to work over Yanta as now the referee starts a 10 count, or I don't know, a 10 or a 5 count or something. He's going to try to count out these women. And looks like Velvet Sky has decided to get involved in this. And I guess she's interjecting herself into something that really doesn't concern her as the referee continues that count. And the referee wants them to get back in the ring. And he continues this count. I don't know what he's up to yet, but nonetheless, Trinity is back in the ring, and now that cross body block there to wink to Dark Princess. I keep getting confused with all of these women that have this seemingly dark power, and now looks like Trinity is going for sliced bread number 2, and she hits it on Dark Princess. And now, setting Dark Princess back up into the corner. And Trinity and Yanta with a clothesline there. And now, Trinity, setting up Dark Princess, takes her down with a Hurricane Rana maneuver. And Velvet Sky just standing there watching this go down. As now, Trinity goes for a maneuver. Oh, flipped that moonsault maneuver to Dark Princess as Velvet Sky is trying to grab that chair, and now Trinity goes out to the outside and flips back in onto and Velvet Sky swinging that chair wildly, just hitting anything that moves, and now she's setting Yanta's leg, or that knee of Yanta in the chair. Oh, and stomps down on it. Yanta's got to be in a lot of pain after that. As now Velvet Sky and Dark Princess double teaming Trinity. As now Yanta grabs the chair and she sets it up, and she kicked that chair right into the face of Dark Princess. Trinity now getting up. Yanta doing whatever it takes to try and keep her opponent at bay, so that maybe Trinity can get an elimination in this matchup. And now Trinity's going, she was trying to go for something, I thought, up top, as Dark Princess with a cross body block, as Velvet Sky is keeping Yanta at bay. No, and a kick out there by Trinity. And Dark Princess now in firm control, seemingly, of this matchup. But now Trinity again fighting off Dark Princess, takes her down. And now Trinity overtakes down Velvet Sky. And I think she's trying to get Velvet now out of this match, at least, to try and get a better advantage. And takes down Dark Princess. And now Trinity picks Dark Princess up again. And now a kick to the gut. And that Styles Clash maneuver. 1, 2, 3. And that is it. For Dark Princess, her night is over. So Dark Princess eliminated, and now Trinity with a cover. 1, 2, no. Yanta wants to get the pinfall, but Velvet Sky takes down Trinity, and now a cover hooks the leg. 1, no, and a kick out by Trinity. And Velvet Sky going after Trinity yet again. But Velvet with that jumping moonsault maneuver, and now a cover. 1, no, and a kick out again by Trinity. And Velvet Sky takes her down yet again. And these women are really putting on a show. And an elbow drop from off the top rope, and now a cover. 1, no, and a kick out again by Trinity. And now a roll up. 1, 2, no, and a kick out by Velvet Sky. These women none of them seem to have any quit inside them at all, as that maneuver by Trinity was blocked, and now that Hurricane Rana maneuver by by Velvet Sky to Trinity, and now a cover. 1, 2, 3, and now it's down to Velvet Sky and Yanta, and Yanta goes for that neck breaker there on Velvet Sky. And Yanta, she's all alone now, and she's showing off a little bit. That could come back to bite her. As now Velvet Sky with that maneuver takes down Yanta, and I think Yanta might regret. She may regret showboating, because I think it might cost her this matchup, as those kicks to the back of the spine there. As now Yanta now launches Velvet Sky off the top rope, and Yanta goes up top, and that headbutt maneuver into a cover. 1, 2, 3. She hooked the legs and got the victory. Congratulations to Yanta on surviving this six female elimination tag team match, whatever you want to call it. So I guess the new XD picks up a victory with Yanta. So congratulations to Yanta on this big victory. And it's actually making me seriously consider an XD reunion here tonight. But I guess that all remains to be seen. I mean, I still got a matchup tonight, but I mean, Yanta pulls off an impressive victory here, and that's saying a lot. I mean, Yanta really stepped up here tonight and got the victory, as she's now alone in the ring to celebrate. The referee raises her hand in victory. So congratulations to Yanta on this big victory. She overcame the odds and ends up the victor. But I mean, she was showboating early. That could have cost her. But nonetheless, Yanta, Vicious Vixen, and Trinity all pick up a victory, and Yanta can now celebrate this victory as the referee again raises her arm. And what a night this has been thus far, and we still aren't even done with this event.